District 31, it is an enormous pleasure to be here, to have everyone here, and to recognize the things that people have accomplished over the last year and are looking forward to accomplishing in the future. This is just one of those marvelous occasions where we get to relax, have fun, and give out lots and lots of awards. Yay! And I'm looking forward to going back into teaching. Why is 6 afraid of 7? 7, 8, 9. Now then, what did the 0 say when he saw an 8 for the first time? Cool belt. And they don't get that one right off. Usually the class just staring at you going like, what? And then one kid in the back will get it. And he'll start laughing, and the kids next to him will pick one. And you can see the laughter spread out over the classroom. And that's what makes it so fun.
For the outgoing district governor to get a toast/roast. You know, it may not always sound polite, it may be true. It may not always sound polite, but Bill can take it. He's very thick. So, another thing is Bill's mom was the first woman district governor in District 31 history.
Yes.
Huge accomplishment.
Last year when Sherry left, she left us with one final tip. Let Bill soar with the eagles. Do not bark like the eagles. Bill started off his year with his greeting. Let us have perfect meeting.
What a team. We did all supported one another, and we supported Bill. Thank you.
Walking from one place to the other, Bill with his black hat on, dark suits, dark ties. I had a few other district officers pull me aside from other districts and they said, "You look like the most sane of these three. Could you guys not show up in dark suits? You look like undertakers."
And I really thought that the theme, what was really great about it was it also spoke about Bill's experience. It was really about him. You know, it wasn't quabble with the turkeys, right? It was soar with the eagles. And Bill really exemplifies that theme. I mean, he has the grace of a swan, right? The wisdom of an owl, the eye of an eagle. Ladies and gentlemen, this man is for the birds. I want to thank you for that.
I would like to state my enormous appreciation to Mindy Millman for her fine work there again. Kitty Doherty. Ruth Levitsky. Photographic arranger and organizer, Gary Budiansky. Gary. I would like to thank Laura very much. Laura Fritz, Laura. And yet she did the effort. She was constantly calling them, getting in contact, forcing them to do things they didn't want to do. And did a wonderful job. Please help me welcome Linda Fritz. Linda. I hope it's not too late to put my 2 cents in about Elizabeth Benson. She came to our rescue, helped our club navigate through the International Speech Contest, time and energy to make sure our club succeeded. She is our hero, Liz Benson. We decided that you would make the perfect recipient for the Division Governor of the Year. Diane Hobson, your outstanding services. Your areas loved you. They have beautiful things to say to you. Marianne Murphy, thank you so much. That's a beautiful thing. John Kaiser. James Mitchell. Jim? Whom this district would have collapsed, at least I would have collapsed. Thank you so much, Diane Barnes. You made it. George Manugian, thank you so much for having us. Serving as E5 governor, Barry has done everything we asked of him and more. Thank you very much, Barry. Not only would we like to present you with a box and a certificate, but we would like to present you with the Area Governor of the Year Award.
Ron Cooney.
Wonderful job, Pedro. Pedro, come up. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Anne. You did a wonderful job. Mike Ryan, thank you very much for your service to the district. And thank Bill Barnes. Bill, thank you. We did the impossible decision, but we made it anyway. Someone who has served this district year after year, who has been there, picked me up when I needed rides, took care of those signs that were, congratulate our Toastmaster of the Year, Doug Shadell. Doug. District Governor's Special Award for Meritorious Service to the District over numerous years, who stood up when I made a mistake so that she didn't even get credit for being an area governor because I wasn't on time, but she stood up and did it anyway. I want to thank you very, very much, YSQ. Oh, Kevin Murphy. Kevin. Oh, you signed up late. That's why Dave Biggers. Did we get Dave?
Yes.
Dave. The president of the Lifeline Club, Michael Tulo. Michael, wherever you are, we thank you very much. All officers for 2010, 2011, please stand up for a moment. Thank you very much for the service you have done to the district. You have made the lives of thousands of people that much better. You are now officially relieved from your duties. Thank you very much. All of the incoming officers, 2011, 2012, please stand up. What you do will impact thousands of people in this district. Are you willing to take your duties? Yes. Thank you. You are now officially. As I became district governor, I was passed the district governor's pin. Ben Lappin, congratulations.
One last round of applause for everyone. I will call this meeting complete.
Thank you.